them. In the lower part of the screen we have the controls for setting the alarm level that will activate in the dosimeter if any of the conditions for the three profiles are exceeded. So in this particular instance, for profile 1, profile 2 and profile 3, the red LED alarm light will come on when the accumulated noise dose reaches 100% based on the criterion level and the exchange rate selected above for each of the profiles. This means, for example, for somebody working in a noise level of 90 dB, it would take 8 hours for them to be exposed to the noise before the 100% level was reached. That's basically the end of their shift. So you wouldn't know that an alarm condition had existed until the very end of the shift, right at the end of the 8 hours. So an alternative to measuring the real accumulated dose is to consider looking at the 8-hour projected dose. Currently this is off, but if we were to turn this on, we could select again 100%. Let's find that. So if we select 100% here, now this will activate as soon as the dosimeter has collected enough information to safely and correctly predict that 100% noise dose will be exceeded at the end of the run after a much shorter period of time. So again, somebody working in a noise level of 90 dB, after 1 hour they would have accumulated 12.5% of their allowed daily dose. The instrument will forward project that by multiplying that 1 hour's value by 8 and it will then trigger the 100% alarm and we will know after only 1 hour that the noise level is going to be exceeded the way things are going to the end of the run. The PTC here is the peak threshold count. This is the number of times the peak level is exceeded. This can be set for any value between 1 and 1000. The upper limit time threshold value is a time limit. This will tell us and warn us if the 115 dB level that we've set in the ULT threshold level setting for the individual profile, it will tell us and warn us when that is exceeded for more than 2 seconds. So at the moment, either or any of the settings that we have put into the profile 1 here will cause the alarm on the dosimeter to trigger and to flash red. We can do that separately for each of the individual noise profiles.